Welcome again everyone to your channel Maths Guide. In this video, we will explore one of the most fundamental concepts in mathematics, sets. Understanding sets is essential because they form the foundation of many areas of mathematics. We will learn also the different ways of expressing sets, including the tabular form, the set builder method, and descriptive method. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify, write, and represent sets confidently using each of these methods. So let's get started and make learning sets simple and enjoyable. In this video, I will explain you different concepts related to the sets in mathematics. That what is a set, what are the elements of the set, what are finite and infinite sets, and what is the way to write a set. A set is simply a collection of well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means that an object is clearly described and there is nothing to describe it more. And distinct means each object of a set must be unique. Georg Cantor, German mathematician, created this set theory. An empty set is a set which has no element. So we should understand the meaning of the element. All elements are enclosed in these brackets. It means the curly brackets. If there is nothing in the curly bracket, it means it's an empty set. And this is the symbol we use for the empty set. Then we have a singleton set. A singleton set is a set which has only one element. It means, as you can see here in this curly bracket, we have only one number or character in the set. As here we have only one number, that is 4 in the brackets, it means that this set has only one element. So that set is called singleton set. Now let's understand different families of sets in mathematics. Number one is set of natural numbers, that is denoted by the capital letter N. Then we have set of whole numbers. As the numbers are starting from the number 0, they are called the whole numbers and it is denoted by the capital letter W. Set of integers contains all the positive and negative integers and it is denoted by the capital letter Z. Then we have set of odd numbers. All positive and negative odd numbers are included in this set and it is denoted by the capital letter O. Set of even numbers. All positive and negative even numbers are in this set and it is denoted by the capital letter E. Then we have set of prime numbers. If a set contains all prime numbers, then it is called the set of prime numbers and it is represented by the capital letter B. Now let's move on to the main topic of expressing a set. It means how we can write a set. We can write the set in three ways. Number one is tabular form or roster form of writing a set. Then we have descriptive form of writing a set. And then we have a set builder notation form of writing a set. Now let's understand the difference between writing the set in tabular form and descriptive form. When all the elements of a set are written within the curly brackets, and elements are separated by commas, it means you have written the set in tabular form or roster form. And if when all the elements of a set are described in words form, they are written in descriptive form. Now the third method of writing a set is the set builder notation. Students normally find it a little bit tricky. Now let's check it out. When all the elements of a set are expressed by using mathematical notations, stating all the properties of the elements given in a set, then it is called set builder notation. Keep in mind that it should have a mathematical notations in it. How? Let's see. As you can see here, we have x such that x, then we have this symbol, then we have these two symbols. Now let's understand what they mean. The symbol, this symbol, is read as such that. Here you can see the symbol is read as and. Here you can see the symbol like this is read as or. The symbol, yes, here is read as belongs to. Here it is. Now let's start our exercise. This is exercise 1.7, question number 1. Write the following sets in tabular form. Here we have given the descriptive form and we have to convert into tabular or roster form. First is set A, set of first 5 odd numbers. Now keep two things in your mind. You have to write the capital letter as it is. Then you will put the curly bracket, and you have to write the numbers or letters instead of this statement. Here we have set of first 5 odd numbers. Now think about the first 5 odd numbers, and everyone knows how can we write them. We can write them like this. Now we have written in the roster form or tabular form. They are first 5 odd numbers. Then we have the letter B. So set B represents set of days of week. Two things you have to do: put the curly brackets and write the elements within that. And the elements here are the names of the days of the week. So we can write it as like this. You can also write the full form of these, as I have the little space over here, so I used the contracted form. You can write the full form of it. Now we have set D, and set D represents set of even numbers greater than 9 and less than 25. Greater than 9 means 9 is not included, and less than 25 means 25 is also not included. So we have to write the numbers between 9 and 25. So the set D represents the numbers greater than 9 and less than 25. Now we have a set builder notation. We have to understand this first. X such that X, how we can read that? X such that X belongs to letter Z. It means we have integers in this set. Here up to that we can understand easily that this is a set of integers. And further they are expressing that and this symbol representing and what we should write in the integers, we should write the numbers less than and equal to 9. Less than and equal to 9 means 9 is included, as we have less than and equal to, and less than and equal to 12. Okay, so we have to move from -9 to 12. So here, as you can see, -9 to the positive 12. First of all, we write all the negative integers, then we have 0 and then 1 up to 12. This is how we can write this set in the tabular or roster form. Next we have the set F, which includes X such that X belongs to odd numbers. As you all know, the capital O represent odd numbers. So it means all the odd numbers, so we can write it as like this. As you know that we cannot write all the odd numbers, so we have to put the dots after writing some of the odd numbers. Then we have the set G. X such that X belongs to natural numbers, and natural numbers should be less than 12. And natural numbers, this X means these natural numbers should be less than 12. So we can write it like this, that we have started the natural numbers and up to 11, it means they are less than 12. Then H, set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers, there is only one even prime numbers, rest of the prime numbers are odd, so it means this is a singleton set. So H is equal to 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Now exercise 1.7 question number 2. As you can see, we have given the sets in two different forms. First is the tabular form, second is the set builder notation form. And we have to write both the forms into descriptive form. We have to convert them into words or statements. The first set is A, and we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. We can write it as the multiples of 3 less than 24. It is correct. The multiples of 3 up to 21. This is also correct. Now let's see what I have written. Yes, I have written that set A is the first 7 multiples of 3. Okay, this is also correct. Now we have the set B, A, B, C, D, E, F up to M. We can write it like this, the set of alphabets up to M. And here I have written list of alphabet from A to M. Now we have Y such that Y means this set belongs to the even numbers. So we can write this list of all even numbers. Now this in set D, as you can see, we have some integers starting from positive and negative 4 to positive and negative 12. So how can we write them? We can list of integers between plus minus 3 to plus minus 13. We can write it like this. or you can write it from 4 to less than plus minus 13, as you can write it in many ways in descriptive form. Now again part E, that a is x such that x belongs to natural numbers and these natural numbers should be less than and equal to 50. It means 50 is included as we have less than and equal to sign. So how can we write them? We can write them as the set of natural numbers less than 51. This is also correct. Set of natural numbers up to 50. That is also correct. So list numbers up to 50. G. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 10, 37. How can we write it in descriptive form? We can write it as list of prime numbers between 11 and 41. Next is age. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 15, 55. As you all know, obviously they are multiples of 5. So we can say that list of multiples of 5 from 25 to 55. This is correct. Starting from 25 up to 55, this is also correct. So we can write a descriptive form in many ways. Now exercise 1.7 question before, we have to write these two forms. It means we have the descriptive form over here and some in the roster form, and we have to convert them into set builder notation. As you all know that set builder notation contains some mathematical symbols and we have to follow the sequence also. Then we can write any set into the set builder notation. Now let's check it out. Set A is the set of natural numbers less than 50 and divisible by 4. It means we have to write the natural numbers. Natural numbers should be less than 50 and only those natural numbers which are divisible by 4. So we can write it as set A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers. Okay. And these numbers should be less than 50 and divisible by 4. This is how we can write in the set builder notation. Now we have set B, set of integers between -5 and 5. Keep in mind, if we have the word between with us, we have to put these symbols between it. It means less than, x less than. This shows between. It means -5 and 5 are not included. So we can write it as x such that x belongs to integers and integers must be between -5 and 5. Next we have set C. As you can see, there we have a set of odd numbers up to 15. It means starting from 1 to 15, we have to write this set into set builder notation. We can write it as x such that x belongs to odd numbers and these numbers should be less than or equal to 15. As 15 is included, so we will write is less than and equal to with this 15. Now we have set D. Here we have some numbers starting from 10 to 25. It means the set of natural numbers from 10 to 25 in descriptive form. Now let's see how can we write it in set builder notation. X such that x belongs to natural numbers and it means there should be 10, 11, 12 up to 25. It means these two numbers are also included. So we will write as 10 less than equal to x less than equal to 25. It means these signs represents that 10 and 25 are also included. Now set E, set of last 5 solar months, x such that x and x is the name of first 5 solar months. Then we have set F. Here we have some negative numbers and then some positive numbers. It means this set belongs to integers and starting from -20 to 20. It means these two are also included. So we will write these symbols in between -20 and 20. So F is x such that x belongs to integers and -20 less than equal to numbers less than equal to 20. It means all the numbers starting from -20 to 20. Now we have G, set of odd numbers between 24 and 38. It means the numbers between 24 and 38. As I have told you earlier that when we have the word between, so we will write these symbols. So we can write it as G is equal to x such that x belongs to odd numbers and 24, these symbols, then 38. It means between 24 and 38. Now we have the set H. It means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As you can see, there are multiples of 10. We can write it as set of natural numbers and x, that means the numbers should be the multiples of tens starting from 10 up to 100. It means 10 and 100 are also included. That's why we have used these symbols. This was all about exercise 1.7, in which I explained the basic idea of sets in mathematics and how we can write the set in different methods. Now, next video will be about the sets, unions, and intersection of sets. It means the next video is very important. It's about exercise 1.10 and 1.9. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to leave a comment on this video. Stay tuned.